Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an S&P 500 index fund. First, understand that an S&P 500 index fund is a type of investment that holds stocks of the 500 largest U.S. companies, offering broad market exposure. This approach provides excellent diversification, spreading your investment across many industries and reducing individual stock risk. It's a popular choice for long-term growth. When choosing how to invest, you have two main options: ETFs or mutual funds. ETF, or exchange-traded funds, are very popular because they trade like stocks and often have low expense ratios. Mutual funds also track the S&P 500, offering a similar diversified approach. Look for funds with expense ratios under 0, 10% to maximize your returns over time. To begin investing, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is a straightforward process with most online brokers. You'll typically provide personal information such as your social security number, address, and employment details. Once your account is approved, you can easily fund it by linking your bank account for electronic transfers or by sending a wire transfer or check. Now for the exciting part, making your first investment. Once your account is funded, simply search for your chosen S&P 500 ETF or mutual fund by its ticker symbol and place a buy order. Remember, investing in the S&P 500 is generally a long-term strategy, aiming for consistent growth over many years. For more insights on building wealth, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.